mascara, blush, eyeshadow, and lip balm. I just went in with a wide, more fluffy brush and grabbed the Color Me Spoiled Light Pink from my Prissy Princess MAC eyeshadow palette and went in on my entire lid to lighten it. I do that instead of using a concealer just for my dark circles, just to lighten them a bit. 5 seconds on each lid and I'm done. And then I use my Revlon and I've done that. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some lip balm, pop down my lips to keep them moisturized for the day, and then grab my e.l.f. mascara, just any mascara really. That was my really quick and easy, super simple 5 product makeup look.